Another end of the beautiful day out here. It's not raining, so that's a good day here. Well, mostly it's not snowing. Alright, I got these new mags, these 10-round pistol mags. They're polymer, they're by Mission First Tactical. I've run some through the gun, they're working well. I'm really impressed with them. Doesn't require the forward assist like the XCR mags, pistol mags. You got to tap these guys back, forward assist them, or else they will fail. These guys, I tapped them back, but I don't think I'm going to have to, because it looks like they got a better, narrower well, more like a Gen 3P mag. I got a pin to 5 Gen 3P mags for when I go hunting. What else do we get? Oh, I picked up some new scope rings, because the one I had on there, these are Vortex. The ones I had on there, it was a $20 cheapo, and it had a threaded screw across for the lockdown under the picnicking rail, and that really sucks, gotta tell you. Got a new GoPro, except every time I formatted the fucking card about 5 fucking times now, and it works for about 10 seconds and says, yeah, no, we're going to start again. I'm getting eaten alive, so I'm going to shoot a bunch of rounds downrange here and get the heck out of Dodge. Got it zeroed in, and I'm going to go with I'm calling the Pie Plate Death Zone. This is one of the Mission First 10-round ones. In nice and clean. Goes right through. They have enough room in their spring to allow for the nice and clean through there. Oh, P-mag, or not P-mag. Yeah, those Mission First mags are pretty nice. See if we can put some lead down on Mr. Ram today. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, liking this, been running this ACSI primary arms 1x6 scope for 8 months now. It was mostly on my 308 I was running it. I'm liking it just as much on this little 223. It's a really nice little scope. I liked it so much, it prompted me to get the 3x18 primary arms. The last time she's starting to get a little hot. But I gotta say, I'm really impressed with them Mission First mags. They worked. I don't have to forward assist them like I gotta do with the XCR mags. Go speak of the devil. As soon as I said that, XCR mag went in without needing any forward assist. I like that you can hear the from Mr. Ram down there when you give him a little bit of lead love. Alright, that was fun. Clean up and stop feeding these fucking mosquitoes out here. God damn, I left it way late in the day to come out for this. I had too many things to do running around. Damn real world. Alright, so quick review, I guess, is like I say, I'm pretty impressed with these Mission First magazines. I got them, I think it was 10 rounders. They don't, they have enough spring left that when you put the, I don't have to forward assist on this. I'm gonna say, everything's been running pretty smooth since I put it back together. Pretty impressed with it. Not a bad little gun. I say, it gets a little hot when you run 100 rounds through it, but what the hell? They don't, did they account for mosquitoes? It is a Canadian gun, right? Well, looks like with the 223, I shot him in the ass. Oh. Got him in the ass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm shooting low, so that's not bad, I guess. Kind of sucks, but still. So I got it apart after that. See that line down there? In the center of the top of the block? Or block. Bolt. Carrier. Don't know what that line is from. It stops at the end of that circle, so, and it stops at the bottom there, and it doesn't look like a crack, but I don't know. Did I get one of them shitty old bolts that's gonna crack in half on me? I'm gonna have to talk to the manufacturer, I think. Yeah, other than that, a little bit of wear on the tops there where it runs in on the grooves. It's not bad. I mean, like I say, other than the initial breaking in, kind of where it's running where it's running now. And just here, it's just got a little bit worse there. In here, in the locking tab, I guess. Locking pin. Anyway, that seats into the receiver, lower receiver. A little bit of rattle in there. The grooves. Where? That hasn't got any worse, or no more significant worse. No more significant wear than the initial breaking in, I don't think. Well, yeah, a little more is tailoring off, so my guess is that it's probably near the end of its run for wearing. Same with that crescent shaped groove in the top. It's now the park horizon's worn off the full length of it, so Yeah, I'm gonna start running axle grease up there too, I think. It's like the M1A. You gotta use some basically chassis grease to keep those parts good and juicy. The other minor thing I did was I bitched around about that handle long enough, I just sanded it down. I'm going to sand a bit more off it. It's pretty nice now. It's like, I don't know, it doesn't feel as bad anyways. Feels like my more expensive grips now. That was the only other mod I did, and the deflector here. I keep forgetting to get the name, the manufacturer. That just some Canadian guy doing it on his 3D printer out of Vancouver, I think. Those Vortex scope rings are alright too. I don't mind them as well. They came up nice. But I'd like it a little further forward, but I don't want to get too far off the pistol grip. Right now it's halfway up into the foregrip here. Don't think none of my gas block hardware came loose yet. But like I said, I don't think that was tightened right from the factory, so it would have taken a while to get as loose as it was like it did. Other than that, a few minor wears. Pretty decent gun, like I say. You can see on the inside of that socket there where this goes in, you're getting wear in there. It's too bad there wasn't a way to make this gun a little tighter. I'm going to have to look into that. At any rate, other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. We're up to 300 and some odd rounds.